This is a video on how to use ThingLink in the classroom. So the first thing you want to do is click Login. You want to then click Login with Google. After that, you want to use your JFK email account. Then you can make your name, and mine would be Miss Janoka. You are doing this for classroom learning. So click Select, choose your role. You should be choosing a student. Then you're going to put in your birthday and put your invite code. If you choose teacher, it's going to ask you other information. So I'm going to choose student, my birthday. Make sure you put your correct year, which yours will be way different than mine, and the invite code. Our invite code is different. Make sure you are looking to see what our invite code is and you type it in properly. Click Get Started. From there, there's a video you can watch. I would request that you do watch this video so that you can create it. Once you have finished watching the video, click Start Using ThingLink. You can see all kinds of different features that they're using ThingLink for learning. We don't need to do that right now. There's all different projects that are already created that you can see, but now what you need to do is click Create. Then you want to upload an image. Make sure you have an image saved to your computer. I'm going to upload the frozen backdrop. You have to upload something that is related to the assignment on Google Classroom. After you have your image uploaded, then you click Add Tag. You can make it text, you can make it a label, content from a website, you can create a tour, whatever you're doing. So the first thing is you're going to create content. Pick an image that it relates to. So if you want it to be a YouTube video, you would click that. You can make them whatever color. YouTube video. Description. This is a video that relates to Frozen. Then you're going to put what that actual link is. So I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to search Frozen Broadway. Let it go. Here's one version. And you want to click Share. You're going to copy the URL and you're going to paste it in. And then you click Done. You have one link. Now you can move it wherever you want. You can make them bigger or smaller if you would like. You can delete them. You can edit them. There are different settings, so you can change it if you want all your colors to be one color over a different color. That depends on you. See, mine is the blue shade. Then you click Done. Once you want another tag, if you want something specific from a website or from, say, you want an actual video, you're going to make your title, change your icon. Oh, say you want a picture. Click what color you want your picture to be. Picture, description, this is a picture of whatever. Button, you don't need to have one. You can upload another picture that's already saved on your computer. So I'm going to choose this picture. Click Open, and it will post the picture. And then when you hover over it, it's right there. You can add audio, and then when you're done, you click Done. To share this, click on the Share button. You need to share the link with me. Copy your link, paste it into Google Classroom, and then you are done. You want it just for your organization to see. So that means anybody with a JFK email can see it. Save, and you're done. You're good to go. When you hover over your thing, you have your picture here, you have your video here, and there's your link. You can embed your video if you'd like. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good day. Bye.